Hello guys, just an update in the evening. After we saw on the 4 hour this couple of candles with wicks to the upside, which seems a little bit distributive move at the moment. I'm monitoring at the moment this breakout on the 4 hour RSI, and it's coming back inside the channel. So it's looking like potentially it could close the 4 hour candle, which is in 3 more hours, as a fake out, as a confirmation that is a move as a fake out. And as I told you earlier, I trade data, I don't trade the news. You know, they tell you in the news that everything is going to be amazing tomorrow, that there's some announcement, and then you see the price doing the opposite. And before they put the news, we were talking about going long. So if you trade the news, now you are deep in a drawdown. If you trade the data, you have an upside all the way to 106 from 101. So you see what I mean. Let's go into the daily, and I'm not necessarily convinced that the move is finished, and I'm gonna show you why later. On the daily, this just looks like moving sideways. The RSI is putting like an M pattern, so it's a bit bearish. Some people are seeing some sort of diamond pattern on the 1 hour time frame. On the daily where we are, it's difficult to see it, but in all this area there we've been in the past few days, they are calling for a diamond pattern. Their targets are very similar to the ones I mentioned earlier in the video, mid-90s for the lower end or 110 and plus for upside. And I think the move might not necessarily be finished to the upside. We're just leaving on the table this 107.2, which makes it really interesting. Why are we coming down? Of course, in this evening update, I don't have access to all my data, but just a first sight, it could be just a bear trap from what I see here. You know, we don't have any liquidity on the downside. Let's go into the swing version of the liquidity on Binance. What am I seeing here? So same, short term and long term, we got 107 in short term liquidity, and it's above the price. Below, there's way less. And on the long term, we have a lot here starting from 112. If we have to go lower, we have to go to 87. So it's a matter now of whether there is some bearish news that I'm ignoring, what's moving the price down. But I think we need to wait for candle close. As usual, let's wait for the 4-hour candle close to see if it's confirmed as a fake out, in which case I have my second order there ready waiting. But remember, there's still 3 full hours to confirm the fake out. But keep an eye on that, and we'll see tomorrow. Remember to like the video and give a comment. All of that is really motivating me to do these videos late in the evening. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.